G'day, Nathan from Tech Camel, and today we've got a Hyrule Edition new 3DS to unbox. Well, without any further ado, let's go. Here it is, the Hyrule Edition new 3DS in all its glory. The first thing is, the box is much smaller than last time. This is an old DS box, but a XL 3DS has a similar size box for comparison. Not that it's a bad thing really, I really like the new small box. Did you hear that? What was that? There it is again. There. This new 3DS doesn't come with a charger, and the unboxing is very short. Here's the box, Zelda Hyrule, artwork all over it. Looks nice. Important information, etc. Here's the augmented reality cards. Let's have a look what we've got. The question block, Mario, Zelda, Kirby, Samus, Pikmin, I don't know if I've ever used them before. Here is the instruction manual and the 3DS itself. I've opened it before, as you'll see. Oh, and look at that. Zelda artwork. Beautiful. Zelda fans, eat your heart out. And as you can see by the game, I did open it, and I've got an unboxing video of the unboxing video, so I remembered how it went back. And the game is Zelda Majora's Mask. And there it is. Thanks for watching. Please like, dislike, leave a comment, good or bad, and subscribe. And remember, all the other names were taken.